Thank you, everyone. My name is Ikuya Izumi. I'm the Senior Blockchain Consultant at the DLT Labs. So today I'm going to talk about unlocking the power of blockchain for payments. DLT has an ecosystem with a wallet included. So before I start our product, let me introduce briefly our company a little bit. So we are actually based in Toronto, Canada. We have only 2 years history, but we have already done 50 plus the POCs. Among those, we have actually more than 15 production implementations. So basically, we are actually in a blockchain company, but we are the solution provider. So that's why sometimes people say, "Oh, you guys are doing a blockchain, and are you doing a cryptocurrencies?" But our focus is different. We are focusing on the enterprise field. So something like blockchain 3.0. That's the differentiate from the usual the blockchain company. So okay, so how we provide the solution the solution to the customers. So this is actually our architecture. We are focusing on the actual middleware of the blockchain. For example, sometimes people say, "Oh, we want to use Ethereum," or we want to use the Fabric, or should we use a Calder, or blah blah blah, or which version we want to use it. But that's actually very hectic for creating the program. So we put the middleware called the ASICs. This is in-house. Our middleware, that ASICs manages all actually infrastructure of the blockchains. So, and then after that, we created, on top of that, we created, the product from DL certified to the DL wallet. And these days, actually, people are more focusing on the DL track, especially in North America and Africa. But basically, what we have done is this ASICs manages everything for the infrastructure. So users don't have to worry about what blockchain we should use or which version we should use. Basically, they can just focus on their business model or business logic itself. That's actually our solution. So today, we have actually 5 products. But today is fintech, so that's why we just focus on we call it a DL wallet. This is actually we used to call it DL wallet, but these days actually we changed the name to the DL the ecosystem. The reason why is the DL wallet is the product template for the creating and managing the ecosystem. So using the DL wallet, the user can focus on their actually the business logic and creating the their incentive models. So in this case, actually the main benefit is, for instance, the reducing the heavy fee payment using actually the distributed ledgers. So because we use a smart contract. And you can manage everything. So also, you can manage, for example, loyalty point system too. So this is actually our the target clients or the prospects. So basically, our target is e-commerce retailers. This DL wallet, for example, the prospect include e-commerce retailers and the credit card issuers, and sometimes the prepaid card issuers and loyalty the point companies, the micro loan, the micro lending, and micro payment companies. Of course, in security exchange and many more. That's all our target. So I said this is very the customizable solution. So this is actually one of the example what we have done for Indian company. It's called eCash, because eCash they want to do the it's a P2P the lending. So we offer, actually they came to us and we discussed what the best way to do. So they use our DL wallet to actually achieve the P2P lending within their the users or customers. to reduce, dramatically the payment fees. So this is actually, our system, though. I mean, this diagram. So we can now, move into the demo. So the wallet actually, you can actually try on your computer or your actual smartphone, because you can download, our demo version through the app stores, and for Android, the Google Play, you can do it too. So okay. So before I start to the demo, I can show you a little bit because the wallet, we have a lot of transactions. So user admin pages, you can see all the transactions. In here you can see all the hashes and everything. Of course, these are very important, but at the same time, you have to manage correctly. So we are giving the correct the visualization program too. This is it's kind of the portal for the admin side. Okay, so let me to switch to the demo. Okay, so this is actually our DLT demo, and I have the colleague, our actually Japan CEO, the Toshio Wada. He's now trying to send me some money. I'm not quite sure that he can give me more the bonus for me, but okay, let's do it. Oops. Sorry, I put a long one. So this is the DL wallet. This is the pilot version, so you can actually download and then you can do it by yourself too. So I'm going to. Did you send it? Okay. So did I get it? Oh yeah, I get it. Because he doesn't send me a lot of money, but he just sent me to the just $1. This is also the Canadian dollar. But basically it's very easy to do it. So yeah, that's our the one of the products. So thank you very much, and hopefully we can discuss more at the another places. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ikuya.